big story of the day from the Supreme Court actually, but impacting the Uttarakhand government here, essentially putting the High Court order of Uttarakhand on stay till the 27th of April, which effectively means that the state is back on President's rule, that Harish Rawat, who had in fact been in effect reinstated as the Chief Minister yesterday as per the High Court order from Nainital, will now again have to wait and see what lies in his fate on the 27th of April when hearing will resume at the Supreme Court. Today here at Dehradun, we saw a number of quick developments in fact taking place, that within a short span of 12 hours since that order had come out from last night to early this morning, Harish Rawat actually managed to hold 2 cabinet meetings in which he took several key decisions, 11 decisions to be exact, and trying to assert that he is back in the business, that he is actually functioning as a Chief Minister of Uttarakhand once again. That was clearly a political signal to some of his opponents, but then it was a short span of time that he could in fact continue with his functions, because the Supreme Court has now put on hold the decision of the Nainital High Court. Now it's going to decide on the 27th of April, continue to hear what the centre's position is on this issue. Let's just listen into some of the reactions which have come on this story today.
The matter was heard today. The Supreme Court, after a detailed hearing, has suspended the operation of the judgment of the High Court. The High Court judgment had set aside the proclamation. This means the proclamation revives and the governor's rule revives currently. The Chief Minister will have no power or jurisdiction to work any further till further orders are passed by the Supreme Court on 27th. That is the effect of the judgment.
सम्मानित सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंतरिम आदेश के विषय में जो मेरी समझ है, अपने गांव घर की भाषा में, वो ये है कि कल मैं हाईकोर्ट द्वारा स्थापित मुख्यमंत्री था, उससे पहले मैं बर्खास्त मुख्यमंत्री था, और आज के दिन जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश से निवर्तमान मुख्यमंत्री।